Assalamualaikum and welcome everyone from creativeeagle.net. My name is Faizan Mazhar and this is the learning series of PCB designing in Proteus software, and today this is the video number 12 and the topic is soldering. So we will talk about the soldering in this video. So let's move toward the hardware. So for soldering I'm using white solder paste and solder. First of all, place the jumper wires if there are any jumpers. Since this PCB doesn't have any jumper, so I am starting with the low height components, that is resistors. You should also know the color code of the resistors, so they will help you when you will place the components. So now I am soldering it. First of all, place the tip in the paste, then place it near the pin, then apply the solder, let it melt for a few milliseconds and then remove it. Very easy. And you should have a good soldering iron. This is a 40-watt soldering iron. And I have connected it in series with a 60-watt bulb because there are high voltages, so high voltages can burn the soldering iron. So now you can see this is a circular soldering. Now cut the extra wires with the cutter. Now it doesn't have any diode, so I will just desolder this diode from this old PCB. So I will place the screwdriver, I will melt the lead and then it will come out. Now I will remove the other pin. So here is the diode, so I will use it in the PCB. So I have connected the diode and now I will place the base. The base has one edge, which is the top side, and non-polar capacitor doesn't have any polarity, so you can place it in any way. White side is the negative of the polar electrolytic capacitor. In the head, the smaller size is the positive of the LED. Now I have placed all the components and I will solder them. After soldering all the components, you can paste a varnish, a thin layer of varnish, apply on it so it can be safe from the environment or exposure from water and other things, because this is copper and if you will not protect it, then it will change its color. I usually apply a thin layer of varnish. And also buy a good quality solder. So here is the soldered PCB. Front side. Now we'll place the 555 timer, and it has also edge, so take care of the top side. Now if you want to remove it from the base, then use a screwdriver. Do not pull it out using your fingers, you will break the pins. Now this is the running circuit. If you have any questions, suggestion or queries, then open this post and comment below. I'll answer. Also, don't forget to like the page and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Until the next video, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.